Hello, welcome to this video on the complicated task of rationalising denominators in maths. Now, I say complicated, it's not as hard as you might think once you get the idea of the principle. I've got two problems here, both of them are Tassomai questions, they'll probably follow this video, and I've already set some of it out to save time. Now I'm talking too much, so let's get on with it. With rationalise the denominator, to get rid of this surd on the bottom, you multiply top and bottom by the same thing. In this case, the square root of 3. So I've already started this out. I'm multiplying the top part by root 3 and the bottom part by root 3. Now, if we do the bottom first, we'll see why we're bothering, because square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3 by definition. So that's now rationalised. Now we've got to do the top bit, a little bit like expanding any other bracket in algebra. I always tell my students think of surds a bit like you think of x or y. Root 3 times 1 is root 3. And root 3 times root 11 is the square root of 33. You can just multiply those numbers. Now that looks, for all the world, that's something that will cancel really nicely. It won't. Leave it alone. That's finished. Same thing here, I'm going to set it out this time. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom by the thing that was on the bottom here, square root of 2. So we're going to have square root of 2 times 2 minus root 7. And on the bottom, square root of 2 times square root of 2. So they're multiplying. And we're going to get 2 on the bottom. A lot of people say square root of 4. Well, technically it is, but it's 2. And then here, you get 2 root 2. Don't be tempted to think that's going to make anything else. The whole number and the surd, they don't really agree very well, so you just stick them together. Like you would if that was an x and a 2, you'd say it was 2x. And here, root 2 times root 7, you can multiply those two numbers together and you get square root of 14. That's it. Hope that was helpful. Good luck with the questions. Thanks very much for watching.